all over the little town there are such artworks. This is one very cool building. Wow. This is summoning tree. Oh my god. What a street exhibition. So pretty. Cat cafe. Wow. One more artwork. No. However, look here. Ja-ja. Hello guys. Mission accomplished! Naoshima Pumpkin Island, Art Island. We are done. Bye bye, Setouchi Triennale. See you maybe in a few months. Wow, fields of gold. Rice is ready. We are back to the world of Momotaro and Kibidango in so many cute designs. Ja-ja, we have here the Okayama version of Hachiko. This is Momotaro, the local hero and one of the huge fairy tale heroes of Japan. He came out of a peach apparently. That's how he was born, which is probably closer to reality than Jesus being born out of a virgin. And so many children's stories feature him. And the sweets that we bought, kibidango, were his favorite food. And wow, he looks like a cool samurai here with his friends, a monkey and a dog. See that peach over there? That's probably the peach that Momotaro came out of. And oh, other attractions of Okayama Station, where you would arrive with a train from Tokyo in order to go to the Setouchi Islands.